Hi, my name's Amy. I'm a horticulturalist here at the Greenery Garden Home, and today I'm going to show you how to tip prune or deadhead your flowering autumn plants. So here with me I have a selection of flowering plants that are flowering at this time of the year. So things like your beautiful pansies, violas, cyclamen are out in flower at the moment, they're looking lovely. Geraniums are a big one at this time of the year, and agrostinums are lovely. So in a moment I'm going to be showing you how to tip prune or deadhead these plants to keep them going for longer, and that's the benefits of pruning them back, is to make sure that the plants think that they need to keep flowering. So they think that they've dropped their seed, and it will make sure that they don't go to seed, so they don't get leggy and woody. So as I mentioned, it keeps your annual flowers going for a lot longer, and what I would do is prune off the old spent flowers. Some of them start to look a little bit damaged by the environment, or they just get a little bit old. And as long as there's buds coming again, that will encourage the buds to come through. And I know that in a few days these buds are going to release and they're going to bring out fresh flowers. Something really important to keep your plants flowering for longer is to make sure that they're well fertilised. I like the Yates Thrive Fruit and Flower Fertiliser. It's a water soluble. We have many flowering fertilisers here at the Greenery. It keeps your plants healthy for longer and flowering for a really long time. So now I'm going to show you how to tip prune or deadhead your flowering plants. I'm going to start here with the geranium. So really you're looking to make sure that the buds are coming through. I've got 1, 2, 3 coming through there, and you're looking at the flowers that are sort of spent. These ones are brown, the petals have browned off and died off. And I'm pretty much following the stem down to the base, and I like to use my fingers, or you can use secateurs or scissors. And you're just cutting right down at the base, easy peasy. With your agrostinums, it's a really easy tip prune. I like to use scissors, and you're just going along and taking off the dead flowers like so. Yep. Make sure that you don't leave too much of the stem without the leaves. With your smaller annual plants, it's really simple. You're just going through and finding the old flowers and pruning them back, going again down to the base of the stem and just pruning back, taking off all the stem right down to the bottom. You don't need to leave the stem without the flower on it or any foliage. It's sort of useless there, it doesn't really do anything, so you're better off to take it off. So here with this pansy, I'm finding these 3 here are getting a bit old and sad. They've been a bit damaged by the environment and they're just at the end of their life. And these 2 here, I've got some buds coming, so I know that I'm going to get flowers really soon. So I'll just take them off. This primula here, most of its flowers are old and dying off, but I've got some lovely buds coming through in the center here. So I'm going to take off what's dying, again going right back to the base and leaving those lovely new fresh buds. You can see what you need to leave because it will be colourful. You'll see the buds coming, they'll be fresh. So we're just removing the ones here that are older. So now I'm going to show you how to deadhead your cyclamen. Now this is a bit of a specific technique. Cyclamen have a tendency to rot if their stems are snapped. So making sure that you're finding the bottom of the stem right down the base, and instead of ripping it off, you're twisting and pulling. So twist and pull, and you'll see it snap like that, and you know that that's a clean break, so it's most likely not going to cause rot. This little one here has a little spent flower there, so again I'm just going to find right down the base of the stem, twist and pull. Easy. Those are some simple tips on how to deadhead your flowering plants. Come and see us here at the Greenery Garden Home, where we can give you much more advice on how to take care of your garden. We're open 6.5 days a week from 9 till 5.